Experiencing no mind. When you think about it, when we first start off as the infinite being, the allness, we're right here at 0 points. That's where we are, with no thoughts, just emptiness, just open and empty, timeless. Before you can even remember you were here, you are the timeless beingness. No thoughts, just stillness, silence, pure awareness, emptiness, open and empty, boundless space, infinite space, timeless space, like the sky, infinite space. That is your true nature. And then you identify with a birth and a death, which then you go from 0 point to now to another person. Dualistic, dualism. You start off as non-duality, not two, just this, wholeness, just what is, and silence. Just effortless being. Just sound of the water registering in the unified space of awareness. Smell of food in the unified space of awareness. Sensations from the body registering in the unified space of awareness. Just effortlessly, no work required. That is your true nature. The allness, the emptiness, the pure being, the silence. We're here at 0, open and empty. Then we identify with being a separate individual. That's when dualism comes in. Like, I'm here and the world's out there and everyone else is out there, separate. Then it gets scary, fearful, because I'm this separate person and I'm this body that changes. Baby, child, teenager, adult, midlife, older person, and I'm susceptible to everything that can happen. Sickness, death, get hurt. I'm this fragile little thing in this world. I'm this separate individual. We identify with duality. That is not our true nature. Our true nature is the allness. No mind, 0 point. It's this. That is our true nature. Experience no mind. Become empty. Empty, empty, empty. Whatever thoughts you have about yourself, let them go. Pretend like you're coming in here into the room. Just come into the room with me. But on the outside, leave your shoes outside. Leave your mind outside. All the thoughts you have about yourself. All the ideas you have about yourself. Who and what you are. Leave them outside. Your past, your future, what you're going to do, any thoughts about yourself, what you're going to do tomorrow, what are you going to eat. Just leave them outside. Become empty, empty, empty. Get rid of them all. Just become empty. Open and empty. Your mind's going to try to come in with a thought. You can welcome the thought. Welcome it. Yes, yes. Just don't log into it. Let it go. Just stay open and empty. Just don't believe your next thought. Don't believe your next thought. That's all you have to do. Just stay at 0, open and empty. If you just don't believe your next thought, you'll be your true nature. This is your true nature. Right here, right now. What's here? This is you, the silence, the open space, the infinite being. All loving, all kind, all joyful. That is your true nature. The silence, the pure awareness, the awakeness. The awakeness, that's you. Right here, right now, silent, at zero. Your beingness, you're just being. Infinite consciousness. Open and empty. Mind comes in, oh, goes to 2, 3, 4, no, come back to zero. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Forget the thought, just come back to zero. Open and empty. Just be. That's your true nature. Just be. Effortless being. Everything registering in unified awareness. Open and empty. Zero. Just be.